For the past year, I have busted my fucking ass trying to change. But apparently I haven't done fucking shit, because I'm still me. Can people change?
Oh, no, I think people can change. You know, they can. You know, sometimes for the worse, and sometimes for the better.
Change isn't about trying to be perfect. Perfection sucks. Perfect is boring.
Human beings never going to be perfect, Roy. The best we can do is to keep asking for help and accepting it when you can. And if you keep on doing that, you'll always be moving towards better.